is another KCSE sampled question mathematics, whereby the candidates were expected to simplify 2x squared minus xy minus 6y squared over x squared minus 4xy plus 4y squared. Now, these are two quadratic expressions, and the way to go about them is, one, you factorize. You use the factorization concept. You do the first one, the upper one, and the lower one. Now, in the upper one, you get two numbers whose product is 2 times negative 6, which is negative 12 as a product. Then sum of the two numbers be negative 1. Okay, because we talk about the coefficient of x squared and the coefficient of the y, this y squared, because it's the first term and the third term. So those two numbers therefore are negative 4 and 3, because negative 4 plus 3 is negative 1, and negative 4 times 3 is negative 12. So then I split this middle term by replacing these two numbers that I've got. So now this one becomes, I rewrite this expression into 2x squared minus 4xy plus 3xy minus 6y squared, okay, divided by, again the same case, I look for the two numbers whose product is 4, because this, the coefficient of x squared here is 1 and the coefficient of y squared here is 4, so that will be a product will be 1 times 4, which is 4. Then the sum of the two numbers must be negative 4, so those two numbers are negative 2 and negative 2. So I rewrite it xy, I split this into term xy minus 2xy, that is x squared minus 2xy minus 2xy plus 4y squared. Then I go ahead and factorize these two expressions. Begin with the first one, I check what is common. I split them into two parts. The first part, I get what is common here. 2 is common and x. So I get 2x, open brackets, x minus 2y. Then plus 3 is common in both and y. So I get 3y, open brackets, x minus 2y. Then divided by what is common here. I split these two again. What is common here is x. So x, I get it out. Open brackets, x minus 2y. Then minus 2 is common here and y is common to this. 2y, open brackets, I divide 2x over 2y, I'm left with 2xy divided by 2y, I'm left with x, then minus 2y. Why? Because the minus times minus is plus, so this sign operation changes to minus. So at this point, I now take what is common. I take what is common here and what is common here. So this is common here and this is common here. So I begin with the upper one, whereby I take this and this, 2x plus 3y times x minus 2y, because this and these are common in both the parts. So I divide by x minus 2y, and what is common? X minus 2y. Okay, yeah, like that. Then these ones cancels out. Then I'm left with the answer is 2x plus 3y over x minus 2y. Yeah, and that's what they were expected to do, so that the examiner gives 1 mark here, then another mark here, and the final one here.